Well, the challenges of the past year have really taken a significant toll on our kids, especially when it comes to their mental health.
So the Clark County School District held a forum with experts tonight to talk about the issue of student suicides. Orko Manna joining us now live with more on what they talked about. Orko?
Well, Denise and Brian, CCSD says that 23 students have lost their lives to suicide in the past year. The number before that, for the year before, was 9. To address this crisis, the district enlisted the help of experts who say it really all boils down to getting everyone involved.
It's been very difficult for her.
Karina Singer says her 8th grade daughter Selma has had a tough time since distance learning began.
She's just very lonely. She said very sad. She pretty much stays in her room all day and doesn't really do anything.
Karina says thankfully Selma doesn't have any suicidal thoughts, but suicide among Clark County students is a concern. The district saying 23 students have died by suicide since March 2020.
Suicide is not a choice.
Mental health experts joining CCSD leaders Monday night to discuss how to tackle the issue. One way is through the Columbia Protocol, a series of simple but pointed questions to assess someone's risk of suicide.
The Columbia Protocol is the ultimate see something, say something to help prevent suicide.
State leaders agree having the right tools is key.
And to be able to detect and intervene when an individual is suffering is really the best way to go.
So is CCSD implementing the Columbia Protocol?
Are you working on providing teachers these sheets?
We're going to start looking at the next steps is how do we get those out through our schools, and not just in our classrooms in our schools, but in our departments.
One parent who lost his son to suicide also stressing the importance of openness.
Make it okay to talk about it, and mainly if you're having one of them suicide days.
That's something Karina plans to do.
Well, I'm definitely going to continue the conversation.
Now, if you or someone you know is struggling, you can call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. That's the number there on your screen, 800-273-8255. And advocates are also pushing for more reform when it comes to mental health and suicides among students. That includes more funding for school counselors. Reporting live in the newsroom tonight, Orko Manna, 8 News Now.